Today we got a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is "You're 18, You're Going to Jail."
You match the description of somebody who was taking clothing and stuff from Target. Okay. So did you guys have IDs on you?
No.
What's your first name?
Allison, trust me, I have no warrants or anything on
Okay,
me.
Allison,
Like
that's fine.
Now I'm being detained?
Yes, you're being detained. This is loss prevention. Okay. So you understand Target has cameras everywhere.
How old are you guys? 8. You're 18 now?
Okay, go ahead and drop your bags. Yep, stand up for me. And then both of you guys just face the wall. Hands behind the back. So right now you guys are being arrested for theft. Okay. Yep, arrested. And let me see where you arrest. So you guys are also going to get trespassed, okay, from Target, which means you're not going to be allowed to come here within a year. If you guys come in with a year, you're going to get arrested, okay?
So do you guys call our parents or no because we're 18?
Because you're 18, no. You guys go to jail. So the store wants their stuff back.
My dad gave all my stuff, so you just threw it, and all my money is also in my purse right there.
Your personal stuff will go with you. I'm just saying the store wants their stuff back.
Ladies,
Let's go. Grab all your stuff. It's going to come with you.
And then you want 2 separate receipts?
Yeah, that would be good. Just write all black with she had the t-shirts or whatever.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the pink top.
Yeah. Okay. Appreciate it, brother.
I've been here for a really long time.
What's today? Thursday?
Yeah.
You probably have court tomorrow. You guys have school today?
I was pulled out of school, so I never
Give him crap for that.
got to graduate.
Shocker.
Yeah. I didn't drop out, though. I was pulled out. It wasn't my choice.
Mm-hmm. So are you doing online school right now? Or?
Well, I'm kind of homeless right now, so I've been working on programs to get me into housing, and then once I get into housing, then I can get focused back on school and stuff.
I have a seat.
Okay, so she going through some issues at home. Okay, because at first I'm like, I thought she dropped out. That's initially I'm like, shocker. But she was pulled out, not by choice, but still, you should be doing some, an alternative online classes or, something like that, whatever. But sounds like she's going through it, man. But hey, it is what it is, Stealing still ain't the way. Should have been in there getting a job application.
Oops. Found more stuff.
I'm scared. I have enough money to bail us out.
Yeah, girl, you're not going to be able to bail us out.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
Don't just wait.
Oh, this is a scale.
She
got it.
All right. So the pills, though, and then the powder. So both Fetty?
I'm scared, Ellie.
I'm thinking these is most times in my backpack. I swear to God, dude, you never put this in there.
What's in there?
In my money, dude, they're gonna think that money's from other things. Dude, I have a transaction from my bank.
So what happens when you get there? Tell me everything that they do.
I really don't want to get my shit mixed up. Maybe this is for the best. I don't know.
But
at least we're together.
Right now, and then we're gonna be put in cells,
and then we're gonna be released around the same days.
No, we're not.
We haven't.
Just don't say anything. There's a camera right there.
Allison, go ahead and look this way for me. He's got to get a picture for his trespass. Also, just I'm adding a charge for these. Okay.
I shouldn't have done this.
I feel like my throat.
Tell me what they do when you get there.
They strip you down. You sit
butt naked.
Me and you will sit in the same holding cell for a long time together.
We will. You promise?
Until they move us to the pod.
Can you just kind of tell me what's gonna happen? I don't know. Walk me through the steps because I've never been there.
Okay.
Before.
Well, so you're gonna go to Nisqually. You're gonna get booked. Okay.
Yes.
Then you get your phone call. Parents, someone you can call to bail you out. I think it's 1,000. Okay. But it is one of those. I know. And hey, I get it. You're young. Okay. But hopefully this is the time where you can write the shit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
I'm not even gonna juvie, now I'm going to freaking jail. Like, what? Well, I mean, like, I'm homeless, but I don't have a job, and I have nothing. Like, obviously, something's not right. Like, I can see that, and I'm not gonna do it again. But it's just, like, the way that I grew up, so it's like, I don't know. Being in the dark and by myself, I cannot do that, bro. It's gonna be dark, and I don't have anything. Like, what do? Just stare at the wall? Like, they don't give you no books, they don't give you no pen and paper. Is it like what I see in the freaking movies and stuff?
No, it's not. That's like prison. This is a misdemeanor jail. You said you left your dog with your mom. Are you staying with your mom right now? Well, we're just using her to paperwork right now, and then so we'll be going from there. Okay.
How much did he bail you out for last time?
1,000.
What were you in for? Were you 18?
Assault. No, malicious mischief.
Were you 18?
Just turned 18. But I went to court and got his $1,000 back because I had to. Like, he would not let me miss the court date. If I missed the court date, he would have dragged my ass right in there. Like, I feel like the most humiliating part is like when you have to strip naked.
Do they watch you pee and everything?
No, but
No, I mean, like,
stripping.
Well, obviously, I know that they're that. Do you have to bend over and cough?
No, unless you've been caught like smuggling. But I've never, been.
They do a body scan. They kind of scan, so it'll be like
Kind of like an X-ray thingy?
yeah, sort of like that.
My mom's been to jail a couple of times, and my dad just recently got out of prison. But he was in prison for selling drugs. Is that a felony?
It depends on how much you sell.
I think that they were like watching him for a long time. I don't even tell people that I'm homeless. You know how embarrassing that shit is, bro? And then they're just like, oh, why don't you just go get a job? I've been applying to jobs for over a year. I've been to 3 different housing programs, and each time.
You know what? Hey, that's what I said. I ain't gonna lie to you, right? I said that earlier in the show. Or early in the video. Shit, you should have been in there getting a job application. That's what I said. That was my exact words. But she has been trying. But still, I think a couple of videos ago, I was like, a lady she stole like some shampoo or something like that, right? And she was pregnant. And I said, there's a difference between you stealing, like, either way it's wrong, but it's more understandable, right? If you're homeless or something like that, and you're stealing for needs, like, you have no food, you don't know where your next meal is gonna come from. You have no other option but to try to steal a thing of what they call it, Chef Boyardee's or something, you know what I mean, just to see if you could, a can or something, a can of beans or something, that to me, I think is a lot more understandable. But the stuff that they were stealing was clothes, and I'm like, yeah, do you need new clothes? But no, like, now if they had a whole bunch of food, I could understand that. I could, you still gonna be in trouble, of course, but a judge will be able to understand that a little bit better. Like, what I mean? I'm homeless. I don't know what's going on, yada, yada. I got a rough background with my parents and this and that. I'm out on the streets, but you got caught stealing some ramen noodles and Chef Boyardee's and stuff like that, some cereal or something. I think a judge would be a lot more understanding on that versus, like the other lady, she was pregnant. If she was stealing diapers or something, I'd be like, oh, it's still wrong, but I can understand that. But you sitting there stealing shampoo. Like, what the? No. And this girl, she's hanging around the wrong crowd because the other girl to the right, she's been through this multiple times. She was hitting on people, and that's why this one is looking to her like, yo, so what goes on? Like, I don't know, I've never been in this situation. Well, hanging around this crowd is not gonna enhance your life any better. And she talking about, well, at least we'll be together. Like, what? No, the one on the right is headed down the wrong path, and and now so are you.
None of them have like actually helped me. Exactly. Oh, I can see myself. I got a big old head. There. Look at her screen. You can see us right there. Is it like live?
Yeah,
And does it like record everything?
it does.
Why is it? Can we get the video after?
Yeah, if you want it.
Oh, yeah. I'm dead ass.
Yeah, you just requested.
Hey, what's up, y'all? You know, like got arrested. This is my first time.
So feel free to not answer, but did I hear that one of the accused thefts was for a blanket? The reason I ask is I got some blankets that are brand new that I am waiting to give out to people who need them. So if you guys want a blanket,
I would love a blanket. It gets so cold outside,
Yeah.
bro.
You want a blanket, Allison? All right, I got 2 blankets.
Thank you.
Olivia was arrested on charges of theft after allegedly shoplifting $117 in merchandise, while Allison was arrested on charges including theft and after allegedly shoplifting $50 in merchandise. No court records confirming the final disposition of either case are publicly available.
Okay. So she was stealing a blanket too, because I thought it was just clothes, but okay. A blanket too, that, see, like stuff like that is more understandable. You know, everybody could feel that. You know, even the officer, she's like, well, you know, I'm homeless, yada, yada. Like the girl keeps, you know, she's homeless. And one of the things she stole was a blanket, which that makes sense if you trying to find parks and different stuff like that to sleep outside. That makes sense, you know? Damn, man. Hopefully she could turn it around, man. But she got to get rid of the other girl, though. I ain't gonna lie. Got to get rid of her. She already been going down this path. And, yo, you kind of got a chance. But if you keep this one on the side, nah, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work.